Crusader Hose's engineering department has been designing and manufacturing hose handling solutions for over 20 years. We have developed the Hammersley system to eliminate manual handling on site, mitigating risk of injury from heavy lifting, pinch points, and other hazardous physical interactions. We understand the needs of the mining industry and work closely with our end users to develop the most efficient and safe systems for their specific site operations. We know that flexible lay-flat hose is the preferred choice for its compactness and simplicity, and our Hammersley reel system makes deploying lay-flat pipelines safe and easy. At Crusader Hose, we are experts in hose handling solutions for long distance, large diameter pipelines. For example, we are working on yet another project for the Australian Defence Force for fuel transfer operations for distances of up to 25 kilometres. They see flexible pipelines as a winning solution for rapid installation and mobility, and have been using Crusader petrol line hose and reel systems since 2003.